My name is Amanda Haley with Current Yachts. We are in the stunning waters of Marsh Harbor, Bahamas, and I'm excited to walk you through this 2023 fully equipped Lagoon 46. This 4-cabin, 4-head luxury catamaran is packed with high-end upgrades, making her an exceptional choice for private cruising or chartering. With her powerful Sailplan, solid navigation abilities, and superior comforts, she's designed for effortless sailing and extended off-grid adventures. Welcome aboard Watercolor. The Lagoon 46 succeeded the widely successful Lagoon 450 in 2019. Since then, over 600 hulls have been built by Lagoon Shipyard in France, part of Groupe Beneteau. Starting on the extended teak transom, we have the folding ladder that is perfect for all your swimming and water activities. Stepping into the spacious cockpit, we have this extended foldable teak table and the sliding cockpit bench. This area is perfect for entertaining with all of your friends and family. Stepping away from our dining area, we have to the starboard side a large sun pad that features a cockpit locker for all of the water toys. And finally, to complete this cockpit space is this massive stern bench. Also on the stern, to the starboard side, we have the stainless steel dinghy davits with manual winch. Now we'll move up to one of the most popular spots on this Lagoon 46, the Flybridge. Follow me. Wow, check out this exceptional Flybridge space. It's no wonder that many Lagoon 46 buyers have chosen this vessel for this exact area. First thing you'll notice is the ease of handling Sailplan. All of the lines are leading to the port side with electric winches, and this dedicated mainsail traveler flatwinder winch. Moving to the helm station, Watercolor features a wonderful suite of electronics. This includes a 16-inch Raymarine Hybrid Touch multifunction display, along with wind instruments and autopilot. She also includes a handheld Raymarine VHF. All these features ensure top-tier navigation and communication. Now behind me is one of my personal favorite spaces on this vessel. Check out this sun lounging area. This is a perfect place to enjoy a sunset. While we're up here, let's talk about the Sailplan. Watercolor features a self-tacking jib, further demonstrating the short-handing ability of this vessel. Additionally, the classic mainsail is a fully battened Dacron square-top main. Now let's head to the bow. Moving forward, you'll notice the wide side decks, flush-mounted hatches, and handrails for safe passage going to the bow. Take in this forward cockpit. With the large socializing settee and classic wooden bow pulpits, this area is perfect for entertaining. The Bridgedeck also houses the generator and windlass. Watercolor is fitted with 2 crew quarters in the port and starboard forepeaks. This space can be used for additional guests or extra storage. Now let's take a look at Watercolor's interior. As we move into the galley, an extension of the cockpit includes a fridge and storage to starboard, and to port, we have a trash bin, icebox, and propane locker. Also notice the clever placement of the stairs for safe and easy access to the Flybridge. I also just love the amount of counter space for prepping food and drinks. Inside the Salon, the stylish and bright interior stands out immediately. The natural light, complemented by the direct and indirect lighting, enhances this yacht's luxurious feel. The galley is equipped with a 3-burner stove, oven, basin sink, refrigerator, and to starboard, another refrigerator and freezer. The Salon also features this large dining room table that converts into an additional berth. For onboard entertainment, Watercolor is equipped with a Fusion Marine stereo system, adjustable by zone, and paired with high-quality loudspeakers throughout the Salon, Cockpit, and Flybridge. And I can't tell you how great this forward window is to create ample airflow throughout the entire Salon. Here at the nav station and throughout the cabins, you'll find USB ports for easy device charging. As a 4-cabin configuration, Watercolor has an identical layout in both hulls, each side with 2 cabins, ensuite heads, and separate shower stalls. This is an ideal configuration to welcome friends and family aboard. The aft cabins are slightly wider to offer a walk-around queen berth. Each cabin includes underbed slats for extra support, roller blinds, and fans for added comfort. Now let's talk about Watercolor's propulsion systems. Powering Watercolor are twin Yanmar 57 horsepower 4JH57 engines, offering reliable performance. She's equipped with 3 140-amp service batteries, a battery controller, and dual battery chargers for maximum power management. For true off-grid capability, she features an Onan 11-kilowatt generator with a soundproof cocoon and reverse cycle cruise air conditioning throughout the vessel. And for extended cruising, Watercolor is equipped with a high-output watermaker capable of producing 140 liters per hour, ensuring a continuous freshwater supply. This concludes our walkthrough of Watercolor. Whether you're looking for a high-end charter yacht or a private sailing vessel, Watercolor is ready to set sail. Contact us at Current Yachts for more information or to schedule a showing. Thanks for watching. Fair winds!